Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a first name in Flodesk. All right, this could be two things. So first up, adding a first name field. And the second one is like creating a personalized email that will show their first name. Okay, so first up, adding the field. So let's go ahead over to forms. Maybe this form right here, click on edit, and then go to this block. And I'm going to click on this field right here. As you can see, first name is already added. If you want it required, just click on this tick box. Now you can go ahead and add a field if you want to, like last name. There you go. Move it, maybe at the top. This is a field type, which is last name. If you want to edit the text, go ahead and do so if you want to. If not, you're good to go. Okay. Now going back onto emails right here, click on it. Let's go ahead and create a customized or personalized email. Maybe let's create a new email right here. Select from the templates, maybe welcome. This one, customize. Down here, make sure that you are on a text block. All right, for example, this area right here. Now I'm just going to click on it. As you can see, it says here we have easier personalization. You can go ahead and try it out. So basically, while we are in here in the text block, let's say, for example, hey, then the first name. Okay, so to go ahead and enter a first name, first use the character @ like so. And as you can see here, we have three options like first name, last name, and email. So as the title suggests, let's just go ahead and select first name. So if first name is not available in your saved contacts, you can go ahead and use hey partner like so. Then just hit on insert. All right. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and test it out if you want to. Or I'm just going to send it. And it should look like this. As you can see, it says hey partner, or in the list of your contacts, if that specific contact is available and you have set up the first name and last name in there, it should show in here. And that's basically how you do it. Some notes here, personalization fields only work in plain text copy areas, all right? You cannot add personalization fields like subscriber's name to layouts, okay? That's because layouts are converted to images once you finish editing your email. And images cannot read the underlying HTML codes and scripts. And that's how you add first name here in Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.